Welcome to Legendary Art. In today's video, we're explaining a snowy moonlight forest, ASMR acrylic painting by the artist Feliks K. This calm, atmospheric process builds depth using simple colors, soft brush control, and gentle texture techniques. Let's break it down step by step. The painting begins with the background. The artist mixes cool winter tones to create a snowy night atmosphere. Using sky blue and deep blue blended with touches of white, the canvas is softly covered to suggest cold air and distant snow. Smooth horizontal blending helps establish depth and prepares the surface for stars, moonlight, and trees. Using white acrylic paint, the brush is lightly dipped and gently tapped or flicked toward the upper sky area. This controlled splatter creates tiny star-like dots across the blue background. The randomness of the splash adds realism and keeps the sky natural, avoiding patterns or overcrowding. Next, the moon is painted using white with slight soft edges. Depending on the reference, a hint of pale yellow or light gray can be blended into the white to give the moon a natural glow. Keeping the edges slightly diffused helps the moon feel luminous and integrated into the night sky. Dark tones are now used to create tall tree silhouettes. Black mixed with deep green or burnt umber is applied with upward strokes to form trunks and branches. Varying pressure and spacing gives the forest depth, making some trees appear closer while others fade into the background. To finish, small touches of white paint are lightly added to tree branches to represent resting snow. The paint is applied sparingly, focusing on upper surfaces where snow would naturally settle. This final step adds contrast, texture, and completes the cold moonlit forest scene. With simple layers and calm brushwork, this snowy moonlight forest comes together beautifully. Credit to Feliks K for this relaxing ASMR acrylic process. Materials used include a white canvas, brushes, and a palette knife. Colors used are titanium white, cerulean blue, ultramarine blue, sap green, Mars black, and a touch of cadmium red for warmth.